See, this is going to be the next big thing, the pinnacle of battery management. So before starting this video, if you are just interested in the new name and logo, you can skip to this timestamp. But if you want to find out how this channel started, the whole lore behind it, what's happening right now, then stick to the end. It's only a 5-minute video. Are you still gonna skip? Okay. See, I was thinking of making this video for a long time now, and here I am finally getting the chance to do so. You might know me as the line follower guy, because those are the only videos which blew up in this channel. By blew up, I mean it got this many views. And I opened this channel as a joke when I was in university, proceeding my electronics and communication degree. And you might have also wondered what this channel was about, because OuttaSyllabus, unconventional name, isn't it? So I name it, as I said, just as a joke, because whatever things I actually found interesting were not included in my syllabus. So that's where the name came from, out of syllabus. So back in the day, I was proceeding my university and making fun videos, so to speak, and then COVID hit, and it all took a weird turn because we were all stuck at home. All the line follower contests are gone out of the window. From that time, I started making, more sort of serious projects. You might have also seen some. After I hit 1000 subscribers, I made 2 iterations of a star tracker, and which actually worked. You can also find the video from the cards above. And after that star tracker project, I took a long break from YouTube because of my professional career. See, now I have a full-time job and I could not really give that much of a time. But then I realized as a hobby, I continued working on projects. The biggest one of them is probably the sim racing project I'm working on. See, I made my own FFB wheelbase, which is pretty strong because I've included an e-bike motor in it. So it's insanely strong. Let me know in the comments down below if you want to see a video about it. But in short, I'm starting my YouTube journey again because I just realized while I am making this project for my own, might as well make a video about it on YouTube like I used to do when I was in college. Now that I have around 70 videos in this channel, I'm thinking of changing the name to something which would make sense, because OuttaSyllabus is pretty vague. That's where the motivation came, and I want to change the channel name so that it's easier for you guys also to understand what this channel is all about. A lot of videos are planned and they'll be coming. I'll try to upload a video every month. That sounds like a plausible enough schedule for me. And whenever I miss something, I'll try to post shorts. YouTube algorithm is absolute at the moment. See, I published these 3 shorts. All of them were cut from my long form video about the dead Raspberry Pi, and see, all of them didn't get any views. And then I published this absolute of a video which was shot like 2 years back when I was upgrading my 3D printer, and it somehow got 1.2k views. It doesn't even have a voiceover. So a lot has changed and I have to relearn a lot of things. So bear with me, guys. You can also leave any suggestions if you have in the comments down below. So that's it. I want to do this quick video to let you guys know so that you don't get surprised when you see a different name. This rebranding is very much needed. So that's it, I guess. A quick video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it, thumbs down for the opposite. This is Malhar. You are watching OuttaSyllabus, which is from now on going to be DIY Hub. See, I was thinking of just naming the channel as DIY Hub. But then I figured there is already one channel existing with that name. It will make the already bad YouTube algorithm go haywire. So I'm gonna just slap an engineering at the end. Nope. As you might guess, different day. I'm shooting this for the 3rd time now. You see, there is not a lot of options. YouTube is a lot more competitive now. And whatever name I decide to go with, there appears to be already a channel existing with that name. So what I'm gonna do is just slap a DIY at the end, which will also preserve my original name, which has a lore behind it. F***ing Crow, man, what the hell? Anyway, I was saying we are gonna be OuttaSyllabus DIY, which can probably make new viewers figure out what to expect from this channel. We also have a new logo. See, kinda looks like me, isn't it? Subscribe and hit the bell icon to not miss out on these projects. You see, the pinnacle of DIY sim racing gear. So if you don't want to miss these videos, subscribe and hit the bell icon. So I'm gonna publish a video about it maybe next month, because I'm kind of busy with the Raspberry Pi protection circuit I'm building right now. Here's the sneak peek of that PCB. I've already designed it, I've ordered it, I'm just waiting for it to arrive now. So next month I'm gonna publish the video about it. And for this one right here, I'm gonna publish a video next month, because it's still work in progress. And I have to also order a... Did I give a spoiler? Hopefully you like the new branding. Let me know in the comments down below if you think I could have picked a different name. Everyone is taken now. Everything is taken now. That's it for this video. See you in the next one. Peace out.